Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This one has 18-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, a macchiato beige MB text interior with a natural grain brown walnut wood trim, panorama sunroof, CLA 250 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, we got a clean set of all-season WeatherTech floor mats. This one comes with the Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, heated seats, memory seats, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, 10.25-inch instrument cluster, and a 10.25-inch touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, new to Mercedes-Benz's or MBUX system. Hey, my Mercedes.
What can I do for you?
Change heated seats on.
I'm switching on the seat heating.
Simple as that. You're able to give MBUX a simple voice command and use it as a smart device. Dual climate controls, wireless charging, touchpad for the infotainment center, USB charging, touchpad for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This CLA has 20,907 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2020 CLA 250, visit us at feldmanimports.com.